Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Vivo X80 Lite. And let's start with translation, so we can translate anything from one language to another using Google Assistant, and he will also speak out loudly those translations. It goes like this: Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. So I didn't have any sound on my phone, that's why you didn't hear it, but normally it should work fine. Let's try again. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger.
In Polish, that's zjadłem burgera.
Okay, let's move to the next one. Will be on how to count calories in your food. Hey Google, how many calories in a burger?
There are 295 calories in 100 grams of double hamburger.
Okay, let's move to the next one. Will be on how to add events or plan anything in your calendar, and you can, for example, plan some shopping, like, hey Google, remind me in 1 hour that I need to buy a cabbage.
Alright, I'll remind you today at 8:45 a.m.
Okay, next one will be on how to call anyone from your contacts. Hey Google, call my mom.
I don't know this contact, but I'll remember.
And replace mom with somebody else from your contacts list. Next one will be on how to send messages, also with Google Assistant, and you can say what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger.
Got it. What's your mother's name?
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.